I'm Megan with WTI, and one of my biggest pet peeves is when my phone overheats in the sun, whether I'm at the beach or at the pool. But I don't have to worry about that anymore thanks to this Apollo 2 thermal phone case by PHOOZY. This case is so cool. It uses NASA spacesuit technology to reflect 95% of the heat away from your phone. I did a little test on my road trip recently, and I put my phone in this case and left it on the hot dashboard in the sun for about 3 hours. And when I took my phone out of the case, I was shocked that it was cool to the touch. I had no problem putting it up against my face, and there were no signs of overheating. While on vacation, I used this at the beach. I was able to keep my phone out and accessible beside me on my chair and not have to worry about it shutting down and overheating. This phone case also floats on top of the water, so if you are in a boat or perhaps you're paddle boarding, you don't have to worry about losing your phone in the bottom of the lake or the ocean because it will float right on top. Now, it's not 100% waterproof. However, when I did take my phone out of the case after dropping it in the water, there was very minimal water inside. My phone was still intact. So if you want to protect your phone and prevent it from overheating, this little guy does the trick. And that's my point of view.